Are we on the brink of a robotics revolution? OpenAI is set to unveil PhD-level super agents by month's end, poised to tackle highly complex problems with the expertise of a doctoral graduate. But what could this mean for the future of AI in our world? Unveiling of PhD-level super agents. Have you ever wondered if robots could think like humans? Well, OpenAI is about to introduce something amazing: PhD-level super agents. These aren't just any robots, they're super smart systems that can solve really tough problems just like a doctorate graduate can. This big reveal is planned to happen soon during a special meeting. Sam Altman, the boss of OpenAI, and some important government officials in the US will be there to see it. Imagine a room full of people waiting to see the future of technology unfold right before their eyes. These super agents are a big deal because they mark a new chapter in the story of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is the science of making computers and robots smart, sometimes even smarter than humans. These super agents can do their tasks really well without needing much help from people, which is why everyone's so excited about them. So, what does this mean for us? It means that AI is getting closer to being a part of our everyday lives, helping solve problems we might not even know we have yet. Capabilities of super agents. OpenAI's super agents are like super smart helpers that can handle big amounts of information and solve problems all by themselves. These agents are designed to think and act without needing people to constantly guide them. This is a big change from older AI systems that needed a lot of help from humans to work properly. These super agents are special because they can take a task from the beginning to the end without stopping. Imagine you asked someone to clean your room, and they did everything from picking up dirty clothes, washing them, drying them, folding them, and putting them away, without you having to tell them what to do next. That's how these super agents can handle tasks, but with data and problem solving. Development of custom robots. Now, let's talk about OpenAI's robots. These aren't just any robots, they are being made with special parts and brains designed by OpenAI. The brains are the AI models, which help the robots think and learn from what happens around them. The special parts include custom sensor suites, which are like the robot's eyes and ears, helping them understand their environment better. The team at OpenAI that builds these robots has a big goal. They want to make robots that can work well in all kinds of places, doing many different things. These places can be as different as a busy city street or a quiet library. The robots need to be smart enough to handle changing situations, like dodging a fast-moving car or carefully moving books. One exciting part is the variety of robots they are planning to make. Some robots might look like the machines we see in factories, but others might look more like humans, with arms and legs. This isn't just for fun. Robots with limbs can do tasks that involve moving and handling objects, much like a human worker might do. Industrial scaling and production. OpenAI is not just making a few robots, they have big plans to make more than 1 million of them. They want to produce these robots on a huge scale, like how car factories make thousands of cars. This is called industrial scaling, and it means making lots of robots fast and efficiently so many people and companies can use them. These robots are special because they mix smart AI brains with the ability to do physical tasks. Imagine a robot that can think like a scientist and also work like an engineer, all at once. This is really exciting because it could change how we do many things, like building houses, making cars, or even growing food. The robots can do their jobs better and faster, and they can work in places where it might be too hard or dangerous for people. Employment and testing strategies. To make sure these robots work well outside of the labs, OpenAI is hiring people on contracts to help test these robots in real places like streets, parks, and other public areas. These testers try out the robots and see how they handle real-world situations, like changing weather or crowded places. This helps OpenAI fix any problems before the robots are sold to businesses or people. Building these robots to handle unexpected things is very important. OpenAI uses special strategies to make their robots strong and flexible so they can work well even when things don't go as planned. This is a bit like making a video game character that can handle different challenges in the game. These robots need to adapt quickly, whether they're helping in a natural disaster, working in a busy factory, or assisting in a hospital. Integration of software and hardware. OpenAI is working on a special project where they are combining the brains, software, and bodies, hardware, of robots into one smart system. This means they are making sure that the software, which is like the robot's mind, works perfectly with the hardware, which is like the robot's body. This is important because, just like in humans, the mind and body need to work together smoothly for the robot to perform well. Imagine if your brain knew how to shoot a basketball, but your hands couldn't move the right way. You wouldn't be able to play basketball very well, right? That's why OpenAI is focusing on making sure that their robots' AI brains and their physical parts work seamlessly together. They use cutting-edge AI models, which are some of the most advanced AI brains out there, and they design custom robotics, which means they make special robot bodies designed specifically to work with these smart brains. Training and innovation in robotics. One of the coolest things OpenAI is doing is called the FAST method. This method is used to train robots to be more efficient and quicker at their tasks. Normally, robots might repeat unnecessary steps and waste time, just like if you kept checking your shoes were tied even when they were already fine. The FAST method helps robots to skip these unnecessary steps and focus only on what really needs to be done. The FAST method works by compressing the robot's actions, which means it makes the list of what the robot has to do shorter and to the point. This is similar to when you summarize a long story into just the important parts. By doing this, the robots can learn their tasks faster and perform them better because they're not wasting time on things that aren't important. This method has shown some amazing results. Robots trained with the FAST method have been able to do their jobs really well in different places like labs and real-world environments. For example, robots were able to perform tasks in universities and research centers successfully, showing that this new training method really works. By using the FAST method, OpenAI is making their robots smarter and more capable. This is exciting because it means robots could soon be helping us in even more ways, from doing everyday tasks to working alongside humans in complex environments like hospitals or disaster sites. Advances in generative AI. In the world of AI, something really cool called generative video AI is making videos look more real than ever. One of the latest and greatest of these is called Ray 2, made by a company named Luma Labs. Ray 2 is a tool that helps create videos that seem so real, it's like you're actually there. What makes Ray 2 special? Well, it's better at understanding how things in the real world move and interact. This means it can make videos where everything from people to cars and animals looks right and moves naturally. It's like having a super smart camera that knows exactly what to film and how to make it look amazing. Ray 2 is also really good compared to other AI tools that try to do the same thing. It can make videos faster, and the pictures are clearer and more beautiful. Plus, it's smart enough to work with different platforms like Amazon, AWS, and Dream Machine, which lets more people use this awesome technology to create their own videos. So, Ray 2 is not just another AI. It's like a super camera that's learning how to make movie magic real. OpenAI's groundbreaking innovations are setting new benchmarks in AI and robotics, paving the way for a future where technology enhances every aspect of our lives. Stay tuned and subscribe to keep up with the latest advancements and see how these exciting developments unfold.